Hi, I'm Jamie Mayfield, along with my little dog Ranger. The question today is, how do I record my tension on my circular sock knitting machine, on my CSM? Now, we know that this controls the stitches. Longer equals pushing the cam down, which would be, okay, so that's tighter because that's going to make a shorter stitch. And that's longer, it's going to make a looser stitch. Now you can barely see the red mark that I've made on that is my starting tension point for when I'm making socks with sock yarn. Now, I might need to turn it a quarter of a turn according to the numbers on top of my dial. Okay, so I probably would start where this number is right here out, you know, where I can see it, and I might have to go a little tighter or a little looser, and then I can remember where I always start. So that's one way to do it. Now, a more accurate way is I took myself to Harbor Freight, and I got a pair of calipers. I'm going to turn them on, and I like to read my tension in millimeters. Now, you can tell this thing can measure so much closer and more accurate than we can. You zero it out. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the calipers right there. And I'm going to push down and measure to the top of the V-cam. Okay? From the top of the cylinder to the top of the V-cam. And I see I get 24.96. Okay? Normally, that's 25. But I'll tell you right now, this thing can measure, oh, now it's 25.41. So that can measure way more accurately than what I can. So I'm okay as long as it's right around 25. That's where I start out. Now, sometimes I want to go looser if the yarn's a little thicker. Or sometimes I want to go tighter if the yarn's a little thinner. So that's how I measure my tension on the circular sock knitting machine. Thank you.